Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to change your profile picture on Duolingo. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Duolingo, open the app, and after that, go and click on the three lines on the bottom right of the screen. Click on Profile. And here you will find multiple options. Go and click on the setting icon on the top right of the screen. And after that, go and click on the second option, Profile. And click Change Avatar. And as you can see here, you can change your avatar. For example, I will change how it looks. I will change the glasses too. I will change the hat to another color. I can change the color of the shirt and change also the background color and change whatever thing that you want to change. You can give him some hair also, or you can choose whatever style you want for your character. And that's it. After that, click on Done. And as you can see, the profile picture changed. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do like this video and see you in the next one.